Hello bachcho, welcome to science classes. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I will be covering topic such as sowing and seed drill. This is the most important part of crop production. Okay? Before sowing the seed, you must see whether the seed is in a good condition, is it clean, is it healthy. All such is seen while sowing a seed. So before sowing a seed, you need to see whether it has a good quality, clean, healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. Now uh, let's see a exercise or a activity you can write at your home. If this is a glass of water, okay, what is this? This is a glass of water and there is all over it there is a water. Okay, here there is a water. Now when you add few seeds into this water, the good quality seeds settle down in this glass and the ones which are damaged floats. So by this method, this is the ones which has high quality or the good quality seeds settle down. These are the low quality seeds which settle up. So from this we can differentiate which is the good seeds and which is the good seeds and which is the bad seed, and from there we can discard all these bad seeds. And we can just keep the good ones and sow it. This is how we differentiate, and this is how farmers measure which is good and which is bad seeds. So add some grams add some gram add some gram seeds in a vessel. As I told you, add some gram seeds in the vessel and pour some water on them. After a few minutes, some seeds starts to float up here. Few seeds starts to float up. This is because damaged seeds become hollow and thus they become lighter, and hence the seeds starts to float up. Therefore they float on the water. This is a good method for separating good quality healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Hope you all clear like how we differentiate the good seeds and the bad seeds. There are two tools in seed sowing or sowing of the seed, that is traditional method, and one more is the seed drill. Let's first see what is the traditional method. Before learning it, traditional method is a time consuming. First one, that is, let's see traditional method. First this is time consuming one. How it is? Traditional method, the diagram they use a funnel shaped. Hope you all know how funnel seems to look like. This is funnel. Okay. Below the funnel, it has 3 to 2 pipes or the rods. These pipes, this is pipe. What are these? These are pipe. Okay. These are pipe, and above pipe, you can see this is funnel. Now when you add seed in this, it reaches the bottom of the funnel and it goes to the either of the pipe, and from there these pipes are connected to the field. These are the field. This is the field. This is the field. So these pipes are connected to the field, and now these seeds reaches the soil and emerges in the soil. These are the seeds. So this is how the traditional method worked before, long ago. Before, this is how traditional method worked, with the use of a funnel and the pipe. And it is actually a time consuming and lots of labor is required. Hope you all are clear what is traditional tool. So the tool used traditionally for sowing the seed is shaped like funnel. As I told you, see here you can see the picture of the funnel. This is the funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel, as I told earlier, as I explained how seeds enter or seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through the two or three pipes. See, these are three pipes. Hope you can see the pipes here. See, one, two, and three pipes here. One, two, and three pipes. These end are pierced in the soil, and below there is a soil, and they are pierced into the soil. And from here, from the funnel, the seed reaches to the pipe, and from there it immerses into the soil. This is how the traditional tools for sowing the seed. This is how the sowing the seed earlier traditionally. This is how they used, using a shaped like a funnel. Let's move on to seed drill method. This is actually a modern technique. Here it is less time consuming, nothing. There is a few half an hour, 1 hour, or a period of a day. The sowing of the seed takes place, and it is very effective one, and labor is less. So seed drill saves time and labor. Here you can see a tractor. Below you can see a lot of pipe here. From there seed emerges out. This is a tractors, this part. There are two lots of holes. From this, and this is soil. From this seeds are emerged into this. Proper space is given to all. Whereas in traditional method there were no spacing between the soil. They were they were as it is peers without any proper distance. But in nowadays, in the traditional, in the seed drill method, proper distance is maintained between the seeds, and it decreases the overcrowding of the crop. So nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing the seed with the help of a tractor. There's a picturized representation of a tractor. This sows the seed uniformly, as I told you, uniformly at equal distance and the depth. It ensures it ensures that seeds get covered with the soil after sowing. Now, what happens before in traditional method? Just seeds are on the surface of the soil, whereas in the seed drill method, the seed immersed inside, or it is covered by the soil. So it's very helpful. And if it is covered by the soil, when the seeds are covered by the soil, it's difficult for bird to eat these seeds, and seeds are in protected space. So this protects the seed from being eaten by the birds, and sowing by using a seed drill saves times and labor. Till here we learned what is sowing, why is it important, which type of seed we must select while sowing, and how to differentiate a damaged seed and a good quality seed. Next, we learned two types of tools used in sowing a seed. That is, a traditional method where you use a funnel shaped, a shaped like funnel, and funnel is connected to three to four pipes, and these end pierces, and the end pipes and the ends of this pipe pierce into the soil and place seeds there. It is a time consuming one and takes a lot of labor. Next, we learned what is seed drill. It is a modern technology. There we use a tractor. It is uniform. The seeds are uniformly sown and in equal distance and depth. Soil, the seed is completely covered by the soil, and this protects from the birds. Here it saves the time and the labor too. Next, a important note which is given in your NCRT textbook. Let's read out what is it. The little plants were kept in a small bags. Why are they kept like this? Seeds of a few plants such as paddy are first grown in the nursery. When they are fully matured, they are transplanted to the field manually, and some forest and flowering plants are also grown in the nursery. So what it says is like few plants are grown in nursery, and then they are grown in nursery and they are placed in the field or the forest. Okay, few plants are kept in a small bags. Why is the reason? This happens because to make a distance between the seeds and to avoid overcrowding of the plants, and that's the reason why they are kept in a small bags or first grown in nursery and then in the field transplanted to the field. This allows plants to get sufficient sunlight. If you see in a classroom, if all the students sit nearby, is it difficult for you to sit? Will it be easy to use to sit? No, it'll be overcrowded and be difficult for you to breathe. Yeah, but it's very easy to talk, but it's difficult to sit and difficult to breathe. Same way for plants, when they are placed all together, it's difficult for them to to have sufficient sunlight, nutrients, and water. So they are placed in equal distance to avoid overcrowding and to get a sufficient sunlight, nutrients, and water. At times, a few plants may have been removed to prevent overcrowding. If overcrowding is there, so it's better to remove few plants. See, I have removed few plants and keep it as such. So this is what in this video you studied. What is sowing, how you differentiate a good and a bad seed. The traditional tool with the sowing of the seed is shaped like a funnel, and next is seed drill. And a note why little plants are kept in a small bags, and why the paddies are first grown in nursery and then they transplanted in a field. This is because to avoid overcrowding of the plants, and this allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients, and water from the soil. Hope you all like this video. Watch all rest of the videos of the chapter crop production and management. Comment down if you have any queries, bacho. Share it with your friends, classmates, and always keep smiling. Okay, bacho? Always have a smile on your face. Thank you, bacho. Take care. Bye.